So, who are you?
Right, my name is Jairo. I am studying web design and development at Full Sail, and this is for fundamentals of physics class. And my favorite proverb is, everything happens for a good outcome. I'll pass it on to Giovanni.
My name is Giovanni. I'm studying computer animation at Full Sail, and in this physics project I'll be timing the vehicle and be the cameraman too.
My name is Kaushik, and I believe in fitness. I'm doing game art in Full Sail, and for this project, for acceleration, I am the driver, and my proverb is going to be, drink a lot of water, and buy water too.
Alright, we're calculating the distance that's going to take for this project. He is going to keep a steady distance of 5 miles per hour, which we will convert it into meters per second for the velocity formula. Over here, he's going to start the stopwatch once he reaches the pole, and he's going to keep it at a velocity of 5 miles per hour. He has to keep it constant. That way we're going to calculate the distance it is. Alright, this is the first run. He's gonna reach 10 miles per hour when he reaches the pole. That's when he will start the timer. And he's gonna record his final velocity when he reaches the pole. We don't know what the final velocity will be yet. Alright, this is going to be the second run. He's going to reach 15 miles per hour when he reaches the pole, and he's going to keep accelerating from there. And this is the final third run. He's gonna reach 20 miles per hour when he reaches the pole. Alright, so velocity is the speed of something in a given direction, and this is the formula for velocity. It is the distance traveled divided by the time of travel. Now, acceleration. Acceleration is the increased or rate of speed of something. And the formula is the final velocity traveled minus the initial velocity traveled divided by the time of travel. Alright, since we are calculating our velocity with the car calculates in miles per hour, so we needed to find out how to convert them into meters per second. So here's the formula. 1 mile per hour is equal to 0.44704 meters per second. So for every mile per hour, we'll just have to multiply it by this number. So, since we didn't know the distance of, the place where we were doing all the tests, Kaushik kept a constant speed of 10 miles per hour, and Giovanni did the timing, and it was 7 seconds from the initial post until the flag. So what we did was convert the 10 miles per hour, multiply them 10 times 0.44704, and we got this number, which is 4.4704 meters per second. Now, we multiplied this number we got by the time, and we got the 31.29 meters, which is the distance that we traveled. Alright, here we go. We got the first run, the second run, and the third run. These are the times for the initial velocity, 10 miles per hour, final velocity, 20 miles per hour, and so on for the rest, 15, 25, 20, and 40. How we got this number is we multiplied the final velocity by the number over here. And the answer to this subtraction is so easy, I can say it myself. It's 4.4704. And we're going to have to divide that by 4. And Kaushik is going to do that right now.
So it's going to be 4.4704 divided by 4. And one secret tip is to divide, you got to press this number. And here we have it. It's 1.1176.
So here we go.
So Jairo is going to write it down.
76
1.176
meters per second squared.
Yep. So
now, the answer for this one is so easy, Giovanni can say it.
Answer is 4.4704.
don't cheat. Don't cheat.
Now, Kaushik is going to have to divide that in the calculator.
It's 4.4704
4.704 divided by 3.
divided by, I don't know. Divided by what?
3.
Okay, 3.
How's that?
So it's gonna be 1.49
1.49 meters per second.
Yep.
Squared.
Mhm.
And the last one is so easy, Kaushik can say it.
It's 8.94. Actually, I'm cheating. I have it right here. It's 8.9408. So I'm gonna put down 8.94048
Divided by 2. 2.
Yep.
Alright, so these are our results for the first round. We got 1.1176 meters per second squared for the acceleration. Second run, 1.49 meters per second squared for the acceleration again. And the third run for the acceleration is 4.4704 meters per second squared.